Hello and welcome to Carter & Haynes. Here is our 2016 66 reg Mercedes-Benz C220 diesel Premium specification. Finished in really nice colour, brilliant blue with the crystal grey ivory leather. It's got the pan roof, it's got the electric memory seats, sat nav, rear camera, really good spec. And the lovely thing about this car is it's had one owner from new, and it's got on the clock just 33,648 miles from new. Lovely condition throughout, as you see the pan roof and the grey leather interior. The car is available with us now. We can arrange finance, we will take part exchanges, and we can settle the finance agreements on current part exchanges. So do give us a call. Our number is 01244 570 814. That's 01244 570 814, and we'll speak soon.